A very good morning to all. Today we are moving to the last topic of this chapter, that is about plastic, which can be useful as well as harmful. So we all know that plastic are used to make many things. So the different things that we see around us, or most of the things that we see around us, are made of plastics. So it is very difficult to live without them. So it is very useful. For example, the household appliances like food processors, washing machines, even the buckets, chairs, tables, all these are made of plastics, which is very useful. Almost all electronic devices like television, mobile phones, all these are made out of plastic. And if these appliances stop working, they are discarded and the plastic components pile up as waste. Then we know even components of motor vehicles, trains, aircrafts, all these are made of plastics. So we can say that plastic is very useful. It is used to make many things. But these plastic waste, it can pollute the environment. So for that we need to reduce the use of plastic products. In order to reduce it, we need to reduce the amount of plastic waste. The next is, what can we do to prevent plastics from damaging our environment? So there are certain measures that we need to take in order to prevent plastic from damaging our environment. That is, we need to minimize the use of plastic. So that is one important thing that we need to do. That is, we need to minimize the use of plastic products such as plastic bags, disposable plastic containers, etc. The next thing is that we should not burn plastic waste. So what happens when we burn plastic waste? It will produce or it will emit harmful gas, and this harmful gas, it will contaminate the air. So we should not burn plastic waste. Another important thing is that we must never throw plastic bag or plastic wrapper on roads or other places. So another important thing is that we must segregate plastic so that it can be recycled. Whenever we dispose waste materials, we need to segregate them. So we need to segregate plastic products so that it can be recycled. We cannot completely stop using plastic because plastic is useful to us in many ways. So one way which we can do is minimize the use of plastic, by which we can protect our environment. So that is about plastic, which can be useful as well as harmful. So we are done with the last chapter. I hope this chapter was clear to you. That is about waste management. You can go through the exercise in page number 229 to 231. So you can just complete doing the exercise. So we are done with the 16th chapter. I hope all these chapters that we discussed in this academic year was clear to you. Wishing you all a very good luck for your next academic year. Thank you.